Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It looks sharp, drives smoothly, and handles twists and turns with ease. 2018 marks the first year of a redesign with new styling and additional tech features. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and auto shift manual transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. This is a luxury crossover with incredible beauty and technology inside and out. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.